the party's leader Kumar Vishwas, whose alleged derogatory remarks against Kerala nurses sparked controversy, today tendered an apology, saying it was never his intention to hurt the feelings of anyone. Kerala Chief Minister Oommen Chandy had yesterday said that Vishwas should withdraw the controversial statement and tender an apology to the nursing community.
According to Kumar Vishwas, who is likely to contest the elections in Amethi against Rahul Gandhi, it has come to my knowledge that an old video clip of one of my Kavi Sammelans has hurt the feelings of many of my friends residing in Kerala. I must say that I don't appreciate any discrimination based on religion, region, gender, caste or creed. I have never tried to intentionally hurt the sentiments of anyone. Jokes delivered in a Kavi Sammelan are scripted and presented in a jocular and light-hearted manner without an intention to harm anyone's feelings. But if some words of mine have hurt the sentiments of my friends, I apologize to them from the depth of my heart.
Now, Mr. Kumar Vishwas, when we tracked him down, on camera refused to apologize. On camera he said it was a joke, it happened 6 years ago, there's no reason to apologize. But what we understand now is that he has issued a statement to the Kerala Aam Aadmi Party unit, where he has issued what he's describing as an unconditional apology.
पहले भी कई बार कह चुके हैं कि कवि सम्मेलन में लिखी हुई स्क्रिप्ट है, उनका कोई राजनीतिक मतलब नहीं होता है। 2003-2004 की बातों को अगर कांग्रेस के नेता सोच रहे हैं कि इससे आम आदमी पार्टी का जो विजय रथ है वो रुक जाएगा, तो उनकी गलतफहमी है। कांग्रेस को इस देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए कि इस देश का जो उन्होंने हाल पिछले 10 साल में किया है कि भुखमरी के कगार पर देश है, कंगाली के कगार पर देश है, महिलाओं की इज्जत लूटी जा रही है, इसके लिए कांग्रेस और उसके सारे मुख्यमंत्री देश से माफी मांगे।
कवि सम्मेलन में ये क्या किसी को अधिकार है कि औरत की इस तरह से मजाक उड़ाए? लेकिन मैं बिल्कुल गलत समझती हूँ जिस तरह से केरल की नर्सेस के लिए लिखा है, बोले हैं कुमार विश्वास, बिल्कुल गलत है। उनको सॉरी फील करना चाहिए और ऐसे लोगों को केजरीवाल जी को पार्टी से निकाल देना चाहिए।
Two short points. One is that I think the Chief Minister of Kerala has already written to the Chief Minister of Delhi saying that these things are not appropriate in a social setup, in a democratic setup, where certain dignity must be maintained in making comments. And even while opposing political opponents, one must bear in mind that we are being watched all the time. And the Aam Aadmi Party has got the mandate to govern Delhi, not to disrupt it. I think the way that the party and the government has functioned in the last few weeks is not healthy for a democracy. We can have difference of opinion, but this time for agitation, of hartal, of stopping things, of protesting is over. Now the mandate is with the government of the day, and they must sit and make policies and programs and deliver, as opposed to finding faults and making petty issues into things that disrupt the environment, especially in the national capital of Delhi.